Hi everyone, welcome to Freshly Smooth. Today we're making green smoothie. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of spinach, 1 fresh green apple peeled, 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of frozen honeydew, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/3 of a cup oats, splash of oat milk, and half a lime squeezed. Green apples are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. They are also low in calories. Spinach is a great source of vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and vitamin A. It's also low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great ingredient for weight loss and digestion. Ice will give our smoothie a refreshing and smooth texture. Frozen honeydew is a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. It also contains antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation in the body. Chia seeds are great in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They are also rich in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Oats are a great source of fiber, protein, and complex carbohydrates. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals like iron and zinc and may help reduce cholesterol level and improve heart health. Oat milk is a great alternative to dairy milk for those who are lactose intolerant or following a plant-based diet. It's also low in calories and high in nutrients like fiber and vitamin D. Limes are rich in vitamin C, which is important for healthy immune system. They also contain antioxidants and may help improve digestion. So after blending all the ingredients together until everything is smooth, pour the smoothie into the glass and enjoy delicious and healthy green apple honeydew smoothie. To decorate our smoothie, I chose berries. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious smoothie recipe that's also easy to make and packed with nutritious ingredients. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.